Where's your dad?
I don't know. He said he'd be here.
Come on, let's go wait at the playground, then we can play.
I don't know.
Dad, where are you? You're late. I hope you're alright. I bet you forgot me. What do I do if you don't come? I don't want to be here all alone. But I'm getting worried.
Come on, let's go play at the playground until your dad gets here.
But I'm supposed to wait here. You won't be able to see him from your playground.
Don't worry, he'll find us.
Wait! I don't want to get in trouble!
Ah, why did one run off? We're supposed to wait here. Why is Dad so late? I'm getting really upset. What should I do now?